One or two things gonna happen. Either the damn thing's gonna blow up or we wind up just messing it up altogether. So, dude, that is hot. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I received this box from
Auxito.
That's right, I received this from Auxito. It's a jump box. It's a true unboxing. It's got a nice little case, look at that. Pretty cool case. Pretty durable too. Okay. Pretty cool. User manual right here. It's got a little nice divider that protects it. This is for the air pump to put air in your tires. These are the jumper cables. Looks pretty cool, pretty durable. It's like it's got a digital readout. And this is the plug for the jumper cable. See, it's got the picture of a car. It's like that. This plugs in here. You see it's one-sided so you can't get it mixed up. So imagine it goes in like that. LED lights on the side here. So we'll get more into this in just a moment, but it has a flashlight, a jump box portion to jump start your car. Got a adapter here that screws in to here to pump up the tires. And it looks like you could even use it for sporting gear, like for basketball or football. And it's got other needles here as well for various things. And it's got this charging cable. I'm gonna charge it up and we're gonna see if it works. So now let's get into the actual demonstration of how it works. We're gonna figure it out together. It says it's charged 100%. So if we were gonna jump the car, we would need to pull these out. And so these would just simply plug into here. So you just simply open that up and they can only go in one way. Attach it to your battery, be sure it's turned on, and you should be able to jump the car. That's simple. It also has a light on the end of it. That's what this button's for. So you have an LED light, and there's other settings to it as well. That's the SOS. So for the compressor, it screws in here. Attach this. So you would just simply choose your tire pressure, plus or minus, right? So you see how it says PSI? You can also change those measurements. So you have to hold the button in and it'll change the value as far as PSI or whatever standard of measurement that is used in your country. Those are long presses, but if you short press it, so you see that's automotive. You can see a little car symbol. That was motorcycle and then bicycle. That's like a basketball. So I'm gonna set this for 32. So it's telling me I have 34 pounds in there already. So we'll just do, say, 36. There, we're at 36. Please never mind the bald tires, we're gonna get new tires, okay? So.
The tire was only at 27 pounds. And now it's gotta put it up to 36. This is a good test to see if this thing actually works like it should.
So it says it's at 33 already. Current tire pressure is 29. So let's see how much charge is left. So we started off with 100% and now it's at 86%. So not too bad for filling up 4 tires that were considerably low. So not bad at all. Dude, that is hot. That gets really hot, by the way. So that part I don't like, but oh well. So this is the output. You plug a USB cable into here and you're able to charge your smartphone or whatever else it needs to be charged. The input is what you plug this in and then you can charge your device. I'm gonna disconnect the battery, both of these cables, and then take them off the battery, hook that up, and theoretically the car should start. I'm trying it because the other one that I have, you can hook up directly to the positive and negative cable without the battery and it'll start the car. So I just want to see if this will work just like that. One or two things are gonna happen. Either the damn thing's gonna blow up or we wind up just messing it up altogether. So, which I don't think that'll happen, by the way. This is my experiment. I do not recommend you try this at home, okay?
Am I gonna explode on him? Not the wheel.
It's just a tire. and might get dirty. Future mechanic in the house. Papa's got a helper. Look at that. Look at that, success. The battery is disconnected, right? So the battery is not connected at all. Negative, negative, positive to positive cables. Turn it on, and look, it jumped the car and started it up the first try. To me, that is impressive. That is very impressive. To me, Auxito for the win. Seriously, that's really, really impressive. So overall, I really like this Auxito jump box. It's very compact, fits in this case that it came with. All the parts fit neatly in here, and it's a multi-tool actually. And so, I mean, you can keep it in your car, keep it in your house, it'll be out of the way. Everything worked as advertised. The only thing that I really didn't like, which was kind of a thumbs down for me, was that after the tires were all pumped up, this part here got really hot. Almost so hot that I couldn't touch it. You probably saw that in the video. So that's the downside, but I understand why it got hot. It was because of the actual compressor. So I got that. But overall, I think it's money well spent. I think it's worthwhile. Here's my mistake. In the video, I said that this got really hot, which it did. And you probably saw me go, ow, because it actually burned me. So originally I had taken this off, and I thought, oh, this is just a cover, so I took it off. But I believe that this stays on. You just pull it back like that, screw that in, and then so once you're done airing up your tires, and this is hot, you just slide this up like this, pinch it, and then unscrew it. So this will prevent you from being burned. For me now, it's Auxito all the way, 100%. Till next time, we'll see you later at OG Superfly Garage.